Alright, we'll go ahead and get our cam out now. Should come out relatively easy. I'm doing this one hand with the phone. I'll have to set it down. Alright, sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. You're not going to get to see this. Alright, so we've got off all our bolts here. Now we've got, there's one retainer bolt there, and we're going to have some 12s. One there, one there, one there, and one there. So go ahead and knock them off now. If you look really close, a couple of them bolts that I took out that were really loose, you can actually see the threads separating out of the head on this one. I'm hoping that we've got some bite down further in there. I've seen another one too. That one there. And that might be the two worst ones. That one also looks like threads might be coming out. So let's keep an eye on that. That nut wasn't even tight at all. That's probably where most of his oil, I believe, was leaking from. So that really sucks. But anyway, the head's about to come off. So we'll smack it with a rubber ball peen hammer. I don't know if that's such thing, rubber ball peen hammer. Rubber mallet. We'll knock the head gasket loose. Oh, before I get too crazy, I got one 10mm. It's like this thing should have popped off. Alright, I've got my 10mm retainer bolt here out and that one out. Now, should it'll pop that loose. Well, knocking the bottom piece loose. I'm going to have to get something soft and get that apart, so we're not going to see that part.